Hello everyone, I'm Sally from Delancy Cosmetics. Happy Valentine's Day! Today I'm here to announce our Valentine's contest winners. We read all your love letters. Thank you for participating. And by the end of the video, I will declare all the names. But there is a slight twist this time. Every time we announce two winners mostly, but this time management has decided to go ahead and announce more winners. So we have our top two winners and also we have six runner-ups. So in total we have eight winners. Good, isn't it? But before I announce the winners, I have another surprise for you. Ta-da! This is the Lancy liquid eyeshadow. La CATRINA, right? So in that same series, we have a liquid eyeshadow. Now, the shades on the skull represent all the shades. These colors are the shades of the liquid eyeshadow we have in this box. Also, we have the shades mentioned here. These are the six shades. Beautiful. Well, I would also like to mention that over here we come to know that all the Delancey products are 100% vegan and cruelty free. That's very nice. Let's go ahead, have a look at this liquid eyeshadow. This are the six shades. Wow. Now each and every shade has its own name. They have been pretty creative and all the names have been given to this product. Now what I love about Delancey, about my company, is we have a superb research team who works very well, and this product, all the shades in this product suit to the Indian skin tone very well. So it's very well thought and all the shades are very well designed. Let's go ahead. The first shade is Pink Diamond. As they are all glitter, so we prefer saying it diamond. So it's Pink Diamond. Have a look. Like it? It's all glittery and it's awesome. So this is Pink Diamond. Next up is Red Wall. See the packaging, guys. Delancey, this DL, and yeah, the Red Wall. Let's have a look. This is the Red Wall. Have a look. Beautiful shade, isn't it? Don't you feel like buying it right now? Just go on to delancey.com and place an order. It will be all yours. I got mine. Don't be jealous. Next is the gold. Now in gold, you have three gold actually. So you also have within the series one more series, that is the three gold shades. You just don't have only one single gold, but you have three different gold shades. Now this is the bronze gold. All right, this is like simply pure gold. It's a very beautiful shade. I mean, all brides and all the artists will definitely fall in love with the shade. So this is bronze gold. Okay, next is coffee brown. Surprisingly, this is my favorite shade. Currently I have applied coffee brown. Maybe because of lights you might not see it well, but this is my favorite. I must have used half of the bottle by now. So this is the shade, my personal favorite shade. Next up is Champagne. This is very bright gold, all right, and its name is also Champagne. So ta-da, this is Champagne. Now all girls, women who really don't have time, who are working females like me, so I think you should opt for this palette. It's very easy. You just glide it the same way you do it for your lipstick. Just glide it and you're good to go. All right, the last shade is Galaxy. Galaxy is silver. All right, so basically we covered all the shades you would need and would suit our Indian skin tone, and we can just go for a party, wedding, daytime look, any look, you name it, you can have it with this. So these all shades are very well thought and very well designed. The packaging is awesome. The price is also very reasonable. You can find this product on thelancy.com. So do give it a visit and do let us know what you want, how you think our product is, and if you want to see more about the Lancy or if you want any other product, also you can let us know. We would love to launch new more products. Now, moving ahead, I will go ahead and announce our winners. I know you all are waiting for that, so I will not take more of your time and I'll just go ahead and announce the winners. So, our first winner is Mansi Sharma. Congratulations, Mansi! Our second winner is Sayani Ray. Congratulations, Sayani! So, these two are our top winners, that is Mansi Sharma and Sayani Ray. Now, the remaining six are our runner up. I will go ahead and say their names: Nisha Atri, Daljeet Kaur, Sanjana Khanna, Deepika Patel, Sivya Kaur, and Nidhi Goel. Congratulations, everyone. I would like to thank each and every participant who participated in our competition, and please keep loving us this way. Next, we will come up with another giveaway contest or some contest. Stay tuned. Congratulations, all the winners. Happy Valentine's Day. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.